Hello guys, Jai Hind. Welcome to S Online. UPSC Union Public Service Commission release notification number advertisement number 4 2026 for the recruitment of various posts. Let's see the full detail. Organization name is UPSC Union Public Service Commission. Advertisement number 4/2026. Post name various group of post A and group B gazetted post. Okay, total vacancies, multiple post is available for the different vacancies number. Okay, application mode only online application mode is available through the UPSC portal. Selection process shortlisting based on qualification, experience and recruitment test plus interview. Website www.upsc.gov.in or upsconline.nic.in. Two websites are given. Let's see the important dates. Starting date for online application will start from 9th of May 2026 and the last date for submission of online application will end from 29th of May 2026, 18 hours. Date for determining eligibility 29th of May 2026. Vacancies detail according to post name and organization, reservation, pay scale and age limit. Here, first post name is Assistant Library Information Officer and language required Kannada, Central Secretariat, Library and Ministry of Culture. Number of reservation that means post only one for unreserved category. Okay, and PWBD category 1. Pay scale level 7 and age limit is 30 years, relaxable up to the 10 years for PWBD candidate. Second post is Associate Professor, Civil Engineering, Structural, College of Military Engineering, Pune and Ministry of Defence. Total post are 1 for only one unreserved. Academic level 13 A1 and maximum age limit is 45 years. Next post name is Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering, Structural, College of Military Engineering, Pune. EWS post only one. Academic level 10 and 35 years age limit is applicable. Next post name is Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering, Power System. College of Military Engineering, Pune and SC one post is released. Academic level 10 here it is given and maximum age requirement 40 years. Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering, Heat Transfer, College of Military Engineering, Pune. Only one post is released and available for the unreserved category. Academic level 10 is required and 35 years of age can apply. Translator that is Chinese, Signal Intelligence Directorate, Integrated Defense Staff, Headquarter, Ministry of Defense, OBC, one post and suitable for the PWBD candidate can also apply. Level 10 here it is given and maximum age requirement is 38 years. Translator Tibetan, Signal Intelligence Directorate, Integrated Defense Staff Headquarter and Ministry of Defense. Total number of posts for unreserved category 1 and suitable for the PWBD candidate also. Level 10 pay scale is available and 35 years here it is given. Senior Administrative Officer Grade 2 and DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization and Ministry of Defense. Total 11 posts. Unreserved category 3 posts for EWS category, OBC 8 and SC 4, ST 3, PWBD candidate 1 post is also mentioned. Level 10 pay scale or pay grade is given. 35 years for general, 38 years OBC, 40 years for SC, ST according to their category and their age relaxation. Assistant Mining Engineering, Indian Bureau of Mines, Ministry of Mines. Total 2 vacancies for unreserved and OBC for 2 and PWBD candidate 1 vacancy. Level 7, 30 years for unreserved and 33 years for OBC. Okay. Next post is Assistant Research Officer, Indian Bureau of Mines, Ministry of Mines, unreserved category Vacancies are 1 OBC 1 suitable for the PWBD and pay scale pay level 7. 30 or 33 years for general and OBC as a requirement. Accounts officer, finance department, administration of UT of Ladakh, ST 3 vacancies suitable for the PWBD candidate. Level A, level 8 pay scale is also available for this important post. 40 years Ladakh domicile required. Maximum age requirement 40 years. Eligibility criteria. Engineering faculty post required for BE, BTech plus ME, MTech with first class in relevant discipline. And translator post require bachelor degree in the concerned foreign language or equivalent diploma with their English language. Administrative and other post requirement, bachelor degree with relevant experience. So all the other post and their eligibility criteria is mentioned. Let's see age limit and relaxation as per the category. Unreserved and EWS candidate as per the post 30 to 45 years. Different post. OBC 3-year relaxation is available, SC/ST 5 years and PWBD up to 10 years additional as per the category. Okay. Application fee for all candidates can pay ₹25 only for their application fee. For SC/ST, PWBD candidate and women candidate are exempted to pay application fee. Selection process. Selection process will be made on the basis of shortlisting based on essential, desirable, qualification and experience. Requirement test, recruitment test if conducted, personal interview. And final merit list will be prepared after the interview and minimum qualification marks apply for each and every category. Candidate must apply only using the UPSC ORA portal, that is here mentioned upsconline.nic.in/ORA/register. First register yourself, create your profile, fill common application form, that is specified your post name and upload your required documents just like your photograph, your signature and pay fee if it is applicable for your post. ₹25 only. Documents to be uploaded: educational certificate, experience certificate, caste and PWBD candidate certificate, and all documents will be to be uploaded in the PDF format. Let's see, before starting the application, you have a valid email ID and mobile number for your future communication and OTP verification. Scan documents, here it is mentioned recent passport size photograph, signature, matriculation certificate, 10 certificate for your DOB, prove all educational qualification certificate and mark sheet, experience certificate if applicable, caste category and caste category certificate just like OBC, EWS, PWBD, SC, ST certificate. Okay. Any other supporting document mentioned in the notification which is different for the different posts, different categories. Detail of all your educational qualification and experience chronologically, and credit or debit card or net banking details for payment of application fee if applicable for your category. Aadhaar number recommended for easier registration. So these are all details given by the UPSC for the different post which is mentioned here. Okay. So this is advertisement number 4/2026 recruitment for the different post in UPSC Group A and Group B Gazetted. So we will meet with the different notification with different news. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.